Oh, it's like, you know, when you lost your hair, you feel like you feel old. And then I like to go back like when I was 25, 30 years old. So it's please myself. So it's
To look young again and to be confident about myself.
I got the plan when it hits the fan. Do all I can, do all I can. Push your legs ahead.
because I've been searched for a long time, and I know all my friends who had it done looks pretty good. And they, you know, Dr. Bowen did a good job on the transplant.
Did a research online and I found them very professional.
The treatment was very good. Everything, the people was nice, and then you feel safe. All the question you have the answer right away. And then the Dr. Bowen, it's very good. It's the one I recommend.
Well, the treatment was lovable. I love the way the whole crew works. The beginning on the airport all the way to the hotel, everything was fine.
Just sit tight, so just sit tight. Push your legs ahead down. She drives me wild as she looks in my eyes.
Just a few needles, and after that, it was like I pretty much asleep for the whole surgery.
Just a couple needles, but that's doable. That's good. I think Dr. Bowie did a pretty good job.
As she looks in my eyes, she's in the groove now. Gonna make her mine. I've got to.
Yeah, I really recommend anyone to come over. Even I have a lot of friends and cousin wants to come over and do it. So it's Dr. Bowie is the one to recommend.
Yes, I do. Yeah, it feels, pretty good.